Ow!
We are best friends. They like to be on me, hanging out with watching TV. Oops. He wants to be on my head. It's smooth. Monkie and Weeble like to groom each other, and they go everywhere together. Monkie has a damaged beak.
You want to have some breakfast, Quanch?
I give you some punch. But it takes care of Weeble. One will eat, and the other one kind of stands guard to make sure nobody's going to come get the food. I was happy when I got Weeble because I didn't know if Monkie would accept another bird.
Good boy.
I've had him about 13 years.
You my little friend.
He was I guess a pet that had escaped. He flew into the classroom where my ex-wife was teaching, and they couldn't find anybody to claim him. So he ended up coming to me.
Who that?
He was a young bird, and I had him for about 6 years before his accident happened. He was attacked by another bird about the same size and damaged his beak. So I found Senegal a new home, and Monkie's actually doing much better now. But he was a little fearful of other birds. He would scream. Then one day, my neighbors had found Weeble. He had flown into a window and had a traumatic head injury. We went to the vet, made him feel comfortable. Within a month, he was able to get around on his own, and I introduced him to Monkie. They checked each other out, and Monkie went and stood next to him, would groom him, which was a huge breakthrough. Weeble was feeling very weak. His equilibrium is off. But having Monkie around made him feel that he had a friend that was going to protect him. And the same for Monkie. And they've been that way ever since. So I was very happy.